thought I'd share a little bit of tranquility on this bank holiday Monday in the UK, probably around the world as well. Love where I live. If you are a part of my 15-day challenge as well, today is day 1, and today I am talking about habit tracking. So basically, if you are embarking on a new goal, one of the key parts is to change your habits. So if you want to start doing yoga every single morning, you need to change your habits so that you get up early enough to do yoga before your day starts, and actually get everything set up the night before so that you can do it in the best way you can. And then you track your habits by ticking it off every single day to see your progress. Watch out for the blog and the live later on today.